Are you facing issues with inaccurate measurements on your scale? Calibration can solve this. This video guides you through steps for correct measurements in cooking, science, or personal use. First, prepare your scale. Place it on a flat surface. Any tilt can cause errors. Check with the spirit level. Ensure the area is free from vibrations. A clean platform is vital. Use a soft brush or compressed air for debris removal. Next, calibrate using standardized weights for accuracy. Place the weight in the center and allow stabilization. Most scales use 10 or 100 gram weights. Ensure the weight matches the scale's capacity. Entering calibration mode is critical. Refer to your manual for specific instructions as they differ by model. Hold the Mode button until Cal appears and follow prompts carefully. If lacking calibration weights, household items can work. A nickel weighs about 5 grams, 20 equals roughly 100 grams. A 100 milliliters cup of water serves as a reference, but be cautious of inaccuracies. After calibrating, verify your scale's accuracy with known weights like 10 grams and 100 grams. If readings differ, recalibrate. Regular checks maintain scale dependability. Why are accurate readings vital? They ensure precision in cooking, science, and commerce. Calibration prevents ruined recipes, distorted data, and misleading transactions. How often should you calibrate? At least annually or more frequently if used often or in varying conditions. Consistent calibration ensures reliability. Accurate calibration involves preparing your scale, using standardized weights, and maintaining it regularly. Follow these guidelines for reliable measurements. Ready to start? Calibrate your scale today for accurate results.